Hello, all. Welcome back to another movie review from my end, and this time it's the review of a Malayalam movie titled Tingalascha Nischayam. When literally translated, meaning Monday is the engagement. Directed by Senne Hegde and currently being streamed on the OTT platform Sony Live. In fact, the story of the movie received the 51st Kerala State Film Award. Now, coming to the story of the movie, well, its premise rests solely about a middle-class family living in the northern part of Kerala, a place called Kanyangad. Now, the head of the family, played by Manoj Ku as the protagonist Vijayan, also happens to be a Gulf returnee. He is actually hell-bent on getting a second daughter, Suja, played by Ananga Narayanan, married to a boy who is working in the Gulf too. Now, this is because his eldest daughter had eloped and got married to a boy of another caste, which totally devastated the father, Vijayan, played by Manoj Ku. So, to make sure the second daughter, Suja, gets a good life, as per his wish, he goes on to arrange for a match with a boy working in Sharjah. Now, this is where the movie turns on its head. The second daughter, Suja, happens to be in love with a local boy and doesn't want to get married, or rather engaged, to the boy who her father has selected for her. Now, how the movie rolls out, you will see it as you watch the movie in person. Now, I don't want to discuss the story any further because it will surely spoil the suspense and the hilarious plot of the story, which had me in splits, to be very honest. Keeping the story of the film aside, I would like to review the performance of actors cast in this particular flick. I must give kudos to each and every actor in the film who has emoted so very well to bring alive not only the story but also to make this family comedy drama a worthy watch. Now, to be precise, the father's role, that is Vijayan, played by Manoj Ku, was just class apart. He in fact brought his character to life by his profound acting display, to be very frank. Again, to be very frank, everyone did their part very well, which can only be felt by, I told you earlier, by watching the movie Tingalascha Nischayam. Now, coming to the screenplay part, it aided in a continuous flow without any unnecessary detours to make the movie more interesting to watch for the audience. Well, coming to the editing part, 2 was also handled very well, in my opinion. Now, the songs were catchy and the BGM was spot on for every scene in the movie. Kudos to the music director, Majid, for this extraordinary feat, I would say. Now, coming to the cinematography part handled by Sriraj Ravindran, in my opinion, he has indeed captured all the necessities for each scene in the movie. A job very well done, Sriraj. Now, coming to the main action scene in the movie, which was so very well choreographed. In fact, it looked so very natural from the usual fight scenes one gets to see in the movies of late. Finally, last but not the least, In conclusion, I would definitely vouch for this movie to be seen by all without an element of doubt. It's a nice family comedy entertainer, which, in my opinion, has brought out a rather simple story with a hilarious touch added to it. In my opinion, the director, the versatile Senna Hegde, and his crew deserves a big round of applause for a job very well done. Now, coming to the rating of this simple yet powerful, entertaining film, I will give it a 6 on 10. Hope you found my review informative and interesting. And until I'm back with another movie review, this is Rajiv Nambia signing off from the beautiful mountains of Nilgiris, especially in Kotagiri. Jai Hind.